The realistic robot puppy promises to deliver an interactive pet experience without the responsibility of a real dog. But does it actually live up to expectations? At first glance, the design is impressive, with soft fur-like material and lifelike movements that mimic real puppy behavior. But as you spend more time with it, some limitations become clear. The responsiveness is decent, reacting to touch and voice commands, though it sometimes feels delayed or inconsistent. The battery life is average, lasting a few hours before needing a recharge, which can be frustrating if you're looking for continuous interaction. While it does offer playful sounds and basic tricks, the robotic nature becomes obvious over time, and it lacks the warmth and unpredictability of a real pet. It's a fun novelty and could be entertaining for kids or those unable to own a real dog, but for anyone expecting a truly lifelike companion, it may fall a little short. Whether it's worth the price depends on what you're looking for. If you want a cute, low-maintenance robotic pet, it's a decent option. But if you're expecting something that feels truly alive, it might not be as immersive as advertised.